What's the deal, y'all? We about to get another banger, and y'all see we with Mike again. Today, he just got a mid muffler delete and his resonator's cut off, so we gonna take a ride in the car. I ain't rode in the Impala SS in a long time, so we gonna see how his ride, how it sound, if he got any drone or anything. And this video gonna be basically about the Impala SS. So what you want to tell him?
Well, for right now, I ain't about to do no more to it. But I am about to get an intake. So, like, when I get that intake, it's going to make the car sound a little bit smoother. And I'm about to get it wrapped. But y'all just stay tuned for that one.
Yeah, y'all got to stay tuned for that one. That wrap going to be crazy. What? You ain't going to tell them what you're doing yet?
Not right now.
Okay. But you know we coming rap too, though. But we ain't going to tell them what we doing, though.
Man.
You know? you said they can't know about that, huh?
Look, it's a secret. Can't know.
Top secret. But all right, y'all, we about to... I'm gonna give y'all a little sound test so y'all can hear it, and then we gonna take a ride. So I'm about to flip the camera around to like the exhaust so y'all can hear what it sound like. He gonna give y'all a couple revs. It sound good though, but I'm about to let y'all hear that right now. Sound good. Sound real good. So as y'all can hear it, the exhaust sound real good. If you ask me, it really sound like the AMG GT, bro. I don't really like how the AMG GT sound to cost that much and to be a V8. I don't really like how it sound. But that's low key what this Impala sound like is an AMG GT. It got the little pops in there and everything. It sound good. We about to see what it sound like from inside the car though, cause I ain't heard it yet. He said he be droning a lot and everything, but I don't think he drone more than my car. My car drone a lot.
Bro, that drone is terrible, bro.
Somebody's fooling me and shit.
Like, for real.
What?
That drone is terrible, like, I'm telling you. My mama ain't even telling me it when she drove to Ohio, but she was like, when she got in it though, bro, she was like, that just scared me. That's louder. Look, it's louder than the scat that's over across me, bro.
For real?
Yes. Like, when he wake up every morning and start his car, that boy didn't sound louder than mine.
Right. Right. But it sound good though for it just to be a resonator and a muffler delete. But we about to get in the car. We about to take a ride and we gonna see what it sound like. I'm gonna leave my car here. My car over here. I'm gonna leave it here. I'm about to just like put it in like a little parking spot. Leave it here. Then we gonna come back to it. And we about to give y'all some good content. So stay tuned for the ride. And this is gonna be a certified banger. All right, y'all, so we in the SS. We about to go take a little ride right now. He gonna give y'all a couple pulls so y'all can hear for real. And we gonna see what that drone sound like. He say it's bad. It pulled a little bit. I ain't gonna lie, it pulled for real. It sound good though. It do drone. But it drone, y'all, but it ain't terrible. Like, it's not like it got like a lower pitch, and that's a good thing. But if it was like a higher pitch, that would be terrible. Cause my drone is like high pitch, and I hate my drone. So like when I'm on the freeway or something, I just turn the music all the way up so I can't hear it. But
you probably hear it way more when you're on the freeway.
Yeah.
You hear it way more on the freeway.
Most likely. Cause when you just chilling at 70, like when I'm chilling at 70, the drone is just so high pitched, like it's real irritating. I don't like drone for real, but I like loud exhaust. You know what I'm saying? So hey, you gotta deal with it.
You can hear it, it's straight. But once you hear that drone, bro, when you on the freeway, that jump. And then I wanted the tunnel too. That jump was so fire.
It was loud.
Yes.
Yes, sir. We at a light right now, y'all. He might give y'all a little pull right quick. Sound good. It sound real good. He might give y'all a little pull right quick. I don't know how you feeling though.
Okay, from this light, I don't know.
He about to stop. He about to stop. they didn't do good on the Impalas is they didn't put a good suspension on it. Like you could, it's sway. You can feel it sway and everything. Like it ain't tight like a scat or like my car.
Every time I try to hold it to like steel, every time I hold it still, it is still move, bro.
Right.
Like that's what I'm gonna try to do too, as far as like the suspension. I'm gonna try to get like a race suspension.
Okay. It ain't nothing but really coilovers for real. That's how I'm stiffening it up. I just ain't want to put them on my car because I heard that it ride rough. Like I was doing my research before I even bought anything for my car. I was doing research and they were saying like coilovers make it ride rough because they don't weigh that much. But the car sound real good, y'all. Like I don't know if y'all can really hear for real, but it sound real good. Like
hey, bro, when they popped, bro, that junk was. Hey, look, I was so happy when it popped. I'm like, all right.
yeah,
the
pipe is nice.
Cause when I went to the shop, he was like, "What you want? You want mid loud or you want wake the neighbors up?" I said, "I want wake the neighbors up, bro."
Yes, sir.
He was like, "All right, bet I got you." Cause at first he asked me, he was like, "I'ma just let you test it out yourself. You feel me? If you want to see, like, if you want to drive it and then bring it back, then you feel me? I'll fix it again for you." So I told him, I'm like, I want the mufflers off. And the crazy thing is, I have Flowmasters, which Flowmasters is actually good, but I wanted the pop. So now I got the pop.
Them pops do sound good. I like Flowmasters, but
I feel like they still hold the sound.
Yeah, like when everybody want to get a car, they go talk about if it's a V8, they most likely talking about I'm about to put some Flowmasters or a Borla exhaust. Actually, Borla actually sound good for real. I like how Borla sound. But like whenever you hear somebody's talking about a V8 for real, like when they talk about exhaust, they be like, yeah, I'm about to put some Flowmasters on here. And it's like it's no shade to Flowmaster, but it's more exhaust out there that sound better than Flowmaster. But then again, you gotta think about it. Everybody got their own opinion and everybody got their own taste.
True.
Like most people in the Audi community, they say that the ECS tuning valve exhaust sounds better than the AWE Touring. Me personally, I like the AWE Touring, but I also like the AWE track exhaust. But the only reason I didn't get that, because that's what I planned on getting. The only reason I didn't get that is because it was gonna drone way more because it don't have no resonators. So when I was looking into it, I was watching Ignition Tube. He a YouTuber. He got an Audi S6 now, but when he had his S4, he had the JHM Test Pipes and the AWE Touring exhaust, and it sounded real good. So I was like, that's exactly how I wanted my exhaust set up. So it all depends on what people rather have, basically.
Cause
You can't even see
Flowmasters not bad to me, but they do have some where they have that high pitch like growl.
Right.
Like, cause I looked on them. I basically looked at them and seen like which ones was good. But they have good products.
Yeah, Flowmasters,
just,
they do got some good products for sure. They actually got some real good products for real. I got some.
Right now you can hear the pitch changing.
Yeah, you can hear it. Every time it shifts, that's when the pitch changes. That's how my car is though. But when you on full throttle, like when you did the little pull, it sounded good. Like, and I feel like many people may hate me for saying this, but my car sounded like a mini GTR to me when I'm at full throttle, because of the pitch that it's at. You know, like, because the GTR is V6. It's a V6 also, but I just feel like the pitch is the same when I'm at full throttle. But the other, like when I'm not at full throttle, it don't sound like the GTR. But I still love how my exhaust sound. And I also gotta go up to the exhaust shop. Actually, there's another SS right there, about to turn. I actually gotta go up to the exhaust shop and get it. Oh, that's a V6 with an SS badge on there.
Dang, I want to try to see if I can catch that tongue with this light change.
But
Dang.
I gotta go to the exhaust shop, y'all. So when I got my cats put in, I need to go get them I need to go get my cats welded to my exhaust, like to my actual exhaust, because it's two separate parts. They sound good for real.
I really gotta get that pedal commander too. That's
Oh yeah, pedal commander too. I forgot about the pedal commander.
Now I'm
It's floating up.
Now I'm feeling proud. I just don't know where these potholes is.
It's floating up, for sure. Mike said he on their ass. He done caught up to him and everything.
And then the thing is, bro, people don't really understand about like Impalas. Like Impalas is good cars. They run for a long time.
Yeah.
That's what people don't know. He got his done too. That's what I see.
You just heard it?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. So, they headlights on that one.
Oh, he bugged his
Good.
heck, man.
Them headlights is nice. So Mike was just talking to the other dude with the Impala sets. His actually is, at first it sounded like a V6, but it actually sounded good. You can hear it. He was saying like he ain't got nothing, no mods done to it. He's just been doing cosmetics for real, like tint and stuff like that. But it sounded real good. Mike about to try to race him.
I would though, I would.
But this road terrible.
This road too terrible.
This road terrible.
It sound like a motorcycle. Bro.
It sound
like a Harley.
It sound good, but it don't. Yours sound better, I ain't gonna lie. Cause it's something that we don't know about his. It don't sound all the way right. You know what I'm saying?
Man.
You about to go to the freeway? You about to turn around?
I'm about to turn around.
Alright, bet. But y'all, we just cruising right now. We didn't get y'all the review already, for real. So we just cruising now. About to go back to the little spot, pick up my car.
And what's so crazy is the freaking the mechanic was like, your car sound way better than the Scat Packs, Hellcats. Like when he said that he put my pipes on, I'm like, that's true, bro. That's kind of true. Cause like the way it sound, I ain't gonna lie, bro. It sound louder than theirs though. It do sound louder than theirs when
you turn it on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like when you turn it on,
unless it's cammed or on E85 or something.
Cause like my neighbor, he has the newest, the 2021. He got I think it's a Scat or Hellcat, one of them. But when his start, his don't sound louder than mine.
He low key probably. Do he got anything done to it?
No, he just got it. Like
he got the
literally
suckers
just got it done.
Tell him do a muffin delete so we can really see who's louder.
His for sure going to be louder than mine. Then after that, his is going to be louder than mine. Unless I get a cam.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, cams be beautiful. That's one thing I love about V8s. I ain't never had a V8, but that's one thing I always liked about V8s is the cam. But if I was to get a Mopar, it would have to be a Trackhawk because everybody don't have Trackhawks.
I want a Trackhawk too.
And also because everybody got Hellcats and Scats. Like you gotta be different, you know what I'm saying? Even though you'll see some Trackhawks, you don't see as many Trackhawks as you see as Scats and Hellcats, you know what I'm saying? Like my thing is be different. I don't want to be the same. That's why I picked Audi. Like I'm an Audi man, so Audi is pretty much what I'm gonna be in for real. Like my dream car is an Audi R8. I plan on having an R8 by next year because I'm about to put in that work. And I plan on having an RS7 as my daily after the R8. I'm gonna get the R8 first because I got the S4 as my daily right now. So later on down the road, I'll be able to afford both of them. You know what I'm saying? Because the thing about life, man, you gotta take risks, man. If you ain't gonna take risks, it's like, the thing is, what I feel like is, if you don't take risks, it's like you playing it safe. You wanna play it safe your whole life. You only live once, you feel me?
Facts.
So you might as well take risks, you know what I'm saying? And my thing is, like, it's a lot of teenagers and stuff out here that they wanna look like they got money, but at the same time, it's like, you doing all that for social media. You know what I'm saying? So why not invest your money and double it and then do all that, instead of just going to spend it on some clothes or something for a little picture on Instagram? You know what I'm saying? That's
you gotta understand, bro. That's a different type of time. Like that's a different talk for a different type of time.
That is true. Cause that's the type of mindset I got. That's the type of mindset I always had. Like, I'd rather double my money than go get designer clothes and all that. Yeah, I got takes. I mean, all I really wear is jogging pants for real. I love takes, so that's all I really got for real.
Like me on the other hand, I wear jogging pants. I get stuff, but like, you feel me? All of that really don't matter.
Yeah, no, at all.
Like, if you want people to like you, let them like you for who you is, for real though.
Facts.
That's a real thing. A lot of people don't like you because of you. They like you because of what you got on and how you got it. Not really how you got it, but just
they want to know what you did to get it. You know what I'm saying?
Like, that's what people don't be understanding. Like,
and you can pick out the fake from the real, for real. Ooh.
That's why I just went over, bro.
The wave's looking scrumptious today. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta put some oil in my hair though. It's shining, but
hey man, right now, bro, you know what I mean, looking a little bummy, but look, one day y'all gonna see me again. Just watch. You know, I'm real saucy over here in this area. Today's a chill day. We gonna see, man. They gon' next time you on camera, we gonna see you, man. But all right, y'all, we about to head back to the spot. This probably gonna be the end of the video. I've been talking to y'all for like 14 minutes now. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And I got more bangers coming for y'all again. I mean, soon. So be on the lookout for that. Make sure y'all stay tuned, bro. Don't be just looking at it and then scrolling past it. Like, stay tuned, man. For real, man. Stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what you waiting on? This gonna be the latest channel on YouTube real soon. Like, I got some stuff coming for real. Like, I got some races about to come. I got some collabs about to come. It's about to be all bangers. And I'm about to get consistent for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I said that last video and it took me a week to post, but I was trying to get caught up on homework and stuff because I'm in school too. But I got y'all now. Like, I just posted today. I'm gonna post again on Friday. Today Wednesday, so I'm gonna post again on Friday. Then I'm gonna post again on Sunday. Man, I got bangers coming for y'all, man. Every other day, man. I got y'all. And I've been seeing, like, on my analytics that 90% of y'all not subscribed. Y'all watching, but y'all not subscribed. Like, y'all might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Cause I know y'all gonna keep wanting to see the bangers. They gonna be coming out like that. They be coming out like that. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And we out, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.